according to Ayurveda, we have a specialized Ayurvedic treatment which is known as the Panchkarma therapies, the purificatory therapies. In that, we have a lot of procedures which can be used safely in certain conditions. And so for your pain, if you have pure vata, again, the thing would be you should not have your arm in excess. If you have your arm in control, what you can do is the Ayurvedic Abhyanga treatment. This Abhyanga treatment is basically using any warm medicated oil or simple oils like oil or mustard oil, such kind of oils, depending on your body personality, what we call as Prakriti in Ayurveda. You can use Abhyanga. Abhyanga is a procedure where you do body massage with heated warm oils. But the thing is, you should not heat the oil directly. You can use a water bath to heat the oil indirectly. And then this Abhyanga helps you to reduce your vata, and thus it will also help you reduce your pain as well. We move on to the next therapy, that is the Swadhana or the steam therapy or your sudation. What you can do is, we generally don't advise anyone to go for directly for steam. We always advise the Abhyanga and Swadhana to be done together. So first you go for Abhyanga, and then you have steam or sudation therapy or the spa treatment. You can go to a simple spa as well. You can have a steam chamber for yourself. That will also help you reduce pain. But in conditions of arm, when you cannot do Abhyanga, during that time you can directly apply Swadhana or fomentation or heat therapy. But for that, you will have to use different kind of things. This heat again, or the Swadhana or the fomentation again, is a different kind of therapy which will reduce your vata dosha. But for people who easily have heat generated into their body, or problems like hyperthyroidism, or problems like burning in their body, then this therapy should be reduced to minimum of time, because this can increase a lot of circulation and a lot of heat in your body. So this is also one of the very good treatments for pain. It can be done in localized way and in a generalized way as well. Then one of the most important treatments for Vata dosha is the Basti Chikitsa. Now, there are different things for this Basti. There are two words basically. The Basti here means two basic things. One is the normal enema. In this, we have different kind of oils, decoctions, honey, herbs, herbal paste, all mixed together. And this as a whole liquid is given into the anal canal of a person. This can be injected through the anal canal. This is kind of an enema, Ayurvedic medicated enema. This will help you reduce your Vata dosha. So this is also known as one of the most important treatment for the control of Vata. So you can have this when you have pain due to excessive traveling or excessive physical activity. There are certain specialized type of enemas which can be used. This enema, the amount of enema can range from, there are different types of enemas. And depending on that, it can range from 30 ml to about 1.2 liters, 1 liter to 1.2 liters. So that's huge, but it has a huge medicated value. And as we say that the brain-gut effect or the brain-gut relation, Ayurveda understood this thousands of years ago, and the brain as well as the gut are always related to the Vata dosha. And so this Basti helps a lot to reduce such kind of pains due to Vata dosha. And there are different types of Basti or different types of enema for this. Then one of the things you can see in the picture, the another word Basti which I said was, Basti actually also means something to store. So we also have different kind of walls made of corn floors, different type of floors, not exactly corn floor, it is a black gram floor, and we fill oil in that. I'll talk about that later as well. Maybe I have added that as well. Then there is a treatment which is trending at present. That is the Agni Karma. Many traditional doctors or many traditional practitioners in India used to do this. Not only in India, throughout the world, there were traditional practitioners or traditional healers who used to use this. I don't say that Ayurveda uses it as a traditional system, because Ayurveda has a lot of scientific things attached to this. This Agni Karma basically is applying direct heat or direct fire to the place of pain. What this will do is this will act as a counter irritant as well, and sometimes also as an anti-inflammatory. So when you apply directly this fire is applied with a metal rod which is made up of 5 metals generally, which is gold, silver, copper, iron, and tin. It is a combination of all these 5 metals, and that thing, which you can see in the image with the small rod which is above the candle, that is used, and we directly apply on the site of pain. In extreme conditions, you can use this, because there are a lot of drawbacks, because people would say that, I got burnt at that place, or that part of my skin got burnt and it doesn't look good. So usually people don't prefer it. But in cases of extreme pain, this is a very good condition, very good thing. It has a scientific thing as well. Many people are working on research on this as well, because this is showing very good results on the MRI for changing the degenerative changes as well. So that is one of the very important treatment therapies into Ayurveda. Then we have a very trending thing throughout the world. Everyone is talking, someone who knows about Ayurveda just wants to learn more about the Marma therapy. According to Ayurveda, the Marma therapy, there are about 107 Marma points in our body. These are extremely important points of the human body. And many of the points are very similar to the acupuncture points in the TCM, that is the traditional Chinese medicine. The TCM people manipulate these points to relieve many types of pain and many types of symptoms as well. The calf pain, a home remedy, which I have mentioned here, basically many people suffer from calf pain. If you have calf pain, exactly at the center of the calf, there's a triangular area. When you press that area, press it, release it, press it, release it. Do this for about 20 times. And you will see that your pain for your leg will be gone without even massaging the whole limb or the whole leg. This is basically these are Marma points, which according to Ayurveda should not be touched at all, because injury to these points can lead to permanent disability or severe pain. But you can use this under the supervision of someone who knows Marma therapy well. You can learn this, and this can be very helpful tool for relieving pain, especially certain kind of stiffness, like in cervical spondylosis or cervical stiffness or the sternocleidomastoid muscle stiffness. It can be very useful.